It was a perfect sunny day at the playground. The biggest, most exciting spot was the slide.
It's amazing! I want to go first!
I'm the fluffiest. I came first and I will slide first.
No way, Happy! I've been waiting longer!
Oof! My tail, cried Happy. This is impossible! No one is getting a turn, growled Lala.
It was time for the Peacemaker to solve the slide time trouble.
Stop! Everyone, please stop! I know this moment needed something special. It was time for the Peacemaker to solve the slide time trouble. We aren't mad at each other. We're just mad at the waiting. We are going to play the countdown sharing game. The person at the front of the line is the next cheerleader for the pup who is sliding.
Ready!
Slide fast, little one. You can do it.
Pups discovered that waiting was no longer boring. It was fun like sliding.
The pups learned the sweetest reward wasn't just sliding, but the sound of their friends cheering them on. Thanks to Milo the Peacemaker dog, all the slides in the park once again filled with laughter and fun. Friendship always wins.